Hello, in front of me I've got Tesla Model Y. In this video I'll show you how to charge Tesla. First, let's take a look at the trunk. Right here we've got two charging cables, one supercharger and one normal charging cable. Take out the supercharger and now you have to connect it to power outlet. With the second cable, open the charging tray and now plug to the outlet. To take the cable out, you can enter the app and press this button. Unlock charge port. Now you can eject the charging cable. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.